Hello friends, welcome to La Excellence Mains Answer Writing Session. Friends, today we will be discussing the answer writing for 28th of November's question. So friends, on 28th of November, we have posted a question regarding gene editing technologies and CRISPR. So friends, the question read like this. What is meant by gene editing technology? Discuss how newly developed CRISPR Cas9 technology is going to be revolutionary in gene editing technologies. You have to answer this in 250 words. So friends, as you know that this CRISPR Cas9 had recently come in news when it was found that China had recently done an experiment where they had designed the first genetically edited babies. So this had drawn a lot of flack from scientists and bioethicists all across the world. In that light, we had asked you this question. So friends, as soon as you read the question, please recapitulate the 5 basic points that I had told you, where you had to dissect the question properly, and then you had to start introducing the questions using localization phenomena, and then gradually move on to adding value to your questions with examples, case studies, or various numerous statistics that you have. So friends, with introduction part of this question, you can see that you had to start with emphasizing on the importance of gene editing and its definition, then gradually move on to some technologies on their relevance, their importance, and then move on to the CRISPR that is particularly asked in the second part of the question. So friends, as you can see here in the introduction part, we have said that this genome editing has the ability to change an organism's DNA, where genetic material can be added, removed, or altered as per the wish of the scientists. So friends, in the introduction part, we are using a localization phenomena here, where we are particularly stating about gene editing and then moving on to the CRISPR and Cas9 that has been specifically asked in the question. Then moving on, we have to detail about the CRISPR here. So here, as you can see, that you have to write the abbreviation for CRISPR, which is the clustered, regularly interspaced, short palindromic repeats. So friends, and you had to mention in what way is it revolutionary and in what way is it of more significance in present biotechnology advancements. So friends, apart from mentioning its general benefits, you can categorically state some of the extra benefits that this Cas9 CRISPR technology has, like it can target multiple genes at a time. That can also be mentioned here. And also that this technology allows us to alter a fertilized egg through altering stem cells, and in that process we can create some transmutations in transgenic animals and alter the DNA as per the wish of scientists. So friends, in this part of the question, you had to answer about the CRISPR, how it is relevant, how it is different from other technologies, and then moving onward, it is, as you can see here in the previous slide, we had mentioned you that it is you can alter multiple genes at a time, and stem cells and fertilized egg can be used to create mutations in transgenic animals. This is the second part of your question, which was asking about how it is going to be revolutionary. So friends, as you can see here, that here you had to mention about the impacts, in what way is it more beneficial than other technologies. So as I had stated in the previous slide also, you could have mentioned that it is from that the uses of this technology has it that it can help us control the outbreaks like malaria, or help us in agricultural breeding. Apart from that, help us to cure some of the genetic diseases by altering the DNA pattern. And friends, it is also an advancement that this technology is much more affordable, economically than other gene editing technologies. So friends, this forms the second part of your question. And then finally, we move on to a conclusion. Please make sure that you conclude everything on an optimistic note. And in this case, you had to mention about some ethical dilemma regarding this technology. So at least one or two lines regarding that, how we can cope up with the ethical concern associated with this technology, and how we can create mechanisms where enforcing strict rules and regulations can be made. So friends, that was how you were supposed to write the answer for this question. So friends, that's all for today's. We'll be meeting next time. Till then, please keep in mind the basic framework of answer writing, and keep studying and revising current affairs as per our schedule. Thank you friends. We'll meet next time. Till then, goodbye.